Hello my angels, and today we're going to be doing a deep spring clean with me. So first, make a cup of tea, something nice and warm, ready for you to get in the mood for doing some cleaning. So I'm making myself chamomile tea, and then you can put this on the TV and let's do this together. Okay, so first off, I'm getting out Sephora and also some cleaning supplies. I then clear the countertops and make the cloth wet, ready for me to use Sephora. I then basically spray it everywhere and give it a nice wipe down.
There is no sickness, toil nor danger in that bright land.
Today I'm basically doing the whole kitchen, so I am wiping down the countertops, the air fryer, the kettle. I'll then be doing the oven, the microwave, the cupboard and the backsplash, so literally everything is going to be cleaned.
No more to roam, I'm just going.
The best thing about using Sephora is that it smells amazing, and I have a nice zingy and fresh smell, so honestly the kitchen smells amazing and I highly recommend using Sephora if you haven't already.
And I know dark clouds will gather round me, and I know my way is rough and
I then use Power Hob cleaner to clean the electric hob, and it basically makes sure that there's no streaks left behind.
for me.
Next I am back to using Sephora, and this time I am cleaning the sink and just making sure everything is nice and clean, as there is a bit of dirt marks, so I have a bit of a go of scrubbing it and just using water and Sephora again. And then I do the same with the tap.
Father, I'm going there, no more to roam.
I am now vacuuming everywhere, so I'm just going to start off with the kitchen, just making sure I pick up any crumbs. I have a thing for, like, when I'm cleaning the countertops, I kind of just brush it onto the floor because then I can just hoover it up and it just saves me a lot of hassle. And then I go into the lounge, and after that I vacuum the dining room. When I vacuum the carpet, I like to do little triangles, which you'll see in a sec, because I just think, I don't know, there's something fun about the pattern. And now it is time to wash the floors after hoovering. So I'm getting this Flash floor cleaner, and it's in a very nice lemon scent. And I just get a bucket and fill it up with the cleaner and hot water. And then I just simply clean all the wooden floors of the house. Obviously I didn't do the carpet ones, and yeah, it's pretty simple.
I'm going there to see my brother. He said he'd meet me when I come. Now I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over.
Next I dispose the water, and then I'm on to dusting the house. I just check for cobwebs, so I especially do the curtains, so I find you always get some there. But other than that, there's not really been any dust, as I guess, to be honest, I do this weekly, so there's not enough time for it to build up. And now it's time to do the upstairs of the house. So I'm starting off with vacuuming the stairs. I use this attachment to make it more handheld, so it makes my life so much easier. And once I've reached the top of the stairs, I'll eventually start doing everyone else's bedrooms and basically the rest of the house. I give the banisters a dust too, as I find it's always needed. boyfriend's bedroom because it needs doing, but I've done most of it already, so I'm just giving it a little bit of a dust and a vacuum. It is time to clean the bathroom, so I'm just clearing away my stuff like I wash my body with, because I put it there to drain, if that makes sense. Anyway, I get my marigold gloves out and also the cleaning products and start cleaning away. So first I'm using this Cif spray cleaner just to clean the sink, and then I basically do that and then I move on to the countertops and then the bathtub. I give the toilet a bit of a clean as well. And finally, I'm moving on to the bathtub, and this is where I use most of the products. So again, using the Cif cleaner, giving it a scrub, and then I'm going to give it a rinse afterwards. I'm using this Viacal spray, I think that's how you say it, but it's to remove lime scales. So I'm basically spraying all the metal stuff, giving it a scrub, and again have another rinse. I'm using this lemon Cif cream to clean the shower screen. That was a mouthful, it's a bit like a tongue twister. Anyway, I just give that a scrub and it just helps remove all this like greasy lime scaly thing you get. I don't actually know what it is, but the marks you get. Anyway, I give that a good clean too. Everything ticked off my to-do list, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope it's helped you, and I'll see you all very soon for another cleaning video and other stuff to help you live your best life.